Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. Just about 12:30 in Honolulu, 6:30 in New York. It is Monday, February 25th, 2019, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver. We have a mixed bag in the precious metals market today, with gold and silver trading lower, platinum and palladium trading higher, and a slightly weaker U.S. dollar. First to gold. Gold down $3.10, currently trading at $1329.70. That is basis most active April. When we go over to silver, that gave up about 7 cents on the day, closed at $15.84.5. And as I said, we had substantially higher pricing in platinum and palladium. Platinum, $855.90, up about $10, over a full percentage gain. But look at palladium, traders, $1,508. And it has hit our target. As you know, we are on record saying that palladium would most likely go to 1,500. We certainly saw that move happen today. Very, very interesting day. We had moderately higher prices in U.S. equities, 60-point gain in the Dow at 26,091. S&P, this is vis-a-vis the S&P E-mini, at 2795. So traders, interesting day, a mixed bag in the precious metals. Slightly lower pricing in gold. I truly believe that what we are seeing is gold forming a base at these new levels after hitting a high last week, and it is the high of the year at 1350. We saw it fall literally out of bed the following day. We had equal lows on Thursday and Friday, and then today we had really what is called an inside trading day, in which the open and close fell within the body of Friday's trading open and close. Not the high and low, but the actual body itself. What that tells me is that we do have some real resistance at our current high, which is roughly 1350. In terms of a support level, I've got two different fib retracements, a real short-term one that just covers this last rally from approximately 1200 up to 1350. When we do that, the first level to look at is 1314. That's the 0.23% retracement. And oddly enough, it's also very close to the 0.23% retracement of our longer data sequence, which comes in at 1312. And that falls kind of right within the middle of this range. I am also looking at the fact that we had these equal lows that came in roughly at 22, right in that area. These lows right in here, and there's going to be some support coming in from that area, and it's also the tops to the prior candles. Let me get a straighter line. We can certainly see that, but if we're looking really at this area here, just above 1320. So we know that we should have good support here. We have solid resistance here, and I do believe that we are still on an upward trend unless we go into some kind of a corrective period. That would be, in terms of technical evidence, indicated if we broke below not only this 1320, but below the 1312. If that's the case, we're looking at this support level at about 1300 to 1308 as a proper place to actually go in and initiate a long position. We are currently flat with no active trades. We are looking to see where this market wants to go and if it wants to correct further before initiating any position in gold. But traders, make no mistake, the precious metal to move and go to historical all-time record highs is palladium, 1508.90. So let's call it 1510. And as you know, we have been looking at the distinct possibility of this market running to about 1500. That has been my market call. It was based upon a Fibonacci extension, and we reached that today. If that is the case, then this Elliott wave count, which is a intermediate count, is putting us at the conclusion of a major or an intermediate third, a minor fifth, and then below that a sub fifth right here, and that means that it could come down If in fact we see the market correct, we could see it correct as far as 1300 according to Elliott Wave. However, this market has been moving on fundamentals, and if the fundamentals have not really changed, we could see it move higher. But I would look for some sort of a pullback here, at least the potential for it. It did hit our mark, and that mark was $1,500 per ounce. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. We'll talk to you tomorrow for another daily update and review. Bye-bye.